Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 2000 plus ChatGPT prompts for smart marketers product review. Creator of this product 2000 plus ChatGPT prompts, John Annovi, and this product goes live on 27th of July 9 a.m. EST. Right now I'm in the sales space of this product ChatGPT prompts for smart marketers. Guys, I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this ChatGPT prompts. I'm going to show you also the pricing and OTOs of this product that no one can share with you. So please don't skip this video, guys. Okay. This is the product that you are about to get instant access to an exclusive mega collection of 2000 plus expertly written ChatGPT sales and marketing prompts. On the inside, you get expertly curated sales and marketing ChatGPT prompts to unlock your marketing potential, supercharge your creativity, and explore the mindset of successful marketers. Okay, guys, and these prompts will fuel your marketing strategy with everything you need, from craft compelling ad copies, engaging social media posts, and persuasive copy and captivating content in seconds. Guys, this product price is only $13. Also, this product have OTOs price is $37, $27, and only $9. This is the three OTOs. You can see the members area when you purchase the OTO, when you purchase the front end offer basically. Okay guys, and these 2000 plus sales and marketing prompts were carefully crafted and written by ChatGPT engineers. They are high quality to unleash your creativity, thought providing, and well organized across 500 plus tasks. Okay, but that's not all, friend. The beautiful thing about this is that you will also get full license rights to the entire ChatGPT marketing prompts, so you can use the entire pack anyway you want and however you like for maximum profit with no limitation. Guys, you can also resell this product. They will provide the resale license, they will provide private label rights. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT to tell me how expert marketers are using prompt service tool. You can see the answer. You can also read all the information, guys. So for just $30, you get exclusive lifetime access to 2000 plus ChatGPT prompts for smart marketers. If you are smart marketers, if you are marketers, guys, then you purchase this product 2000 plus ChatGPT prompts. This will help you generate more money from online. Okay, and you will be able to generate content. You know, content is king. Okay guys, and these prompts has been carefully designed by prompts engineers and ensuring relevance and engaging outputs from ChatGPT to provide actionable advice and guidance for marketers. The prompts are easily downloadable and accessible in one click. They are well organized into sub niches, making it extremely simple for you to find prompts that are most relevant to your current needs and interests. Guys, if you are interested about this 2000 plus ChatGPT prompts for smart marketers, then link in my video description below. Okay, you can visit this official website at first, link in the video description below. Guys, don't lose the chance to grab this exclusive collection of ChatGPT prompts for smart marketers. Here is how you can use them in your business. Here is the details. I'm going to show quickly all the details. Find fresh and innovative approaches to their campaigns. I just zoom it, guys. Okay, sorry. And save valuable time with ready-to-use prompts, enhance your productivity and create compelling content efficiently, generate ideas to captivate audiences and boost engagement rates, produce high-quality content that aligns with your brand's message, and maintain a consistent content strategy across various platforms. Diversify their content strategy, keeping it fresh and relevant. Stand out from competitors by delivering relevant and timely content. Provide a starting point and structure for content creation. Enables marketers to experiment with different content style and prompts and anymore. All the work has been done for you guys. You can see this is the well decorated product. Okay, are you ready to elevate your marketing strategy with AI generated prompts? Go ahead and download everything right now. Link in my video description below. The price will bump to 97 at any time, but right now the price is only $13, guys. And also they will provide bonuses, exclusive fast action bonus only for the first 50 buyers. So you are the first 50 buyers, guys. Link in my video description below. Act now to among the first 50 buyers to pick up the 2000 plus ChatGPT prompts for ISMA marketers package, and you will get exclusive access to the marketing blueprint on how to use AI tools as an assistant that helps you create high converting lead magnet offers and landing pages concepts that visitors and customers cannot resist. Okay guys, so right now to grab this product that's called is 2000 plus ChatGPT prompts for smart marketers. I think this will help you to generate more money, and this will help you your marketing journey. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to generate content, who actually struggling to use ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, my friend. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.